Hey, morning, welcome back to the Corvette Posse channel. We are here today. This is a little bit what you might call Corvette heaven. We are doing the Corvette caravan to the National Corvette Museum 25th anniversary, and as you can see here, we got lots of cars. We're lining up to head out this morning. They're expecting about 400 to 500 cars here, and then we're going to meet up in Memphis, pick up another couple hundred on the way. So this is gonna be a lot of fun. If you're even if you're not a Corvette guy, if you're just a car guy, to see this many of the same make in a group is just pretty incredible. Oh, this is pretty sweet, by the way. Love that. This is one of those custom conversion jobs. Looks pretty slick. So we're going off, and then we're going to the Corvette Museum. We're looking to see some C8s and obviously lots of other Corvettes. And then we are going to be heading off and going to Tennessee and hit a lot of roads. So we're going to have some pretty epic videos for you guys along the way. Hope you enjoy it, and we'll just take a look at some of these cars here real quick. Jay, how's it going, man?
What's up?
All right, so we are at the Corvette Caravan, 25th anniversary of the National Corvette Museum.
Right.
So we're taking off, like I said earlier, we're taking off about 400 or 500 other Corvettes from here in town. And you know what? This is pretty cool. I mean, like to see one make of car this many together is pretty sweet deal. You don't see that many cars.
Pretty impressive. Pretty impressive.
By the way, that is a sweet shirt.
CorvettePosse.com.
CorvettePosse.com. Link will be in the description. 20% off, free shipping. Check it out. We got to get some of that merchandise out of the way because we got some cool designs. We got to sell the old stuff first. So go out there, get some shirts ordered, help us out.
Now check this out. Hold up. Right here. There's another design. Yeah, you guys got to check it out for real.
All right, and then so later on, so we're going to Bowling Green.
Well, first of all, we're going to Memphis, and we're going to meet up with 250 more Corvettes on our way to Bowling Green.
So then we're going to Bowling Green. We're going to see the C8 finally in person. We're going to see the one that you ordered. There's a red one.
I hear there's a red one there, so we're going to see my build.
So we're going to check that out, and then we're headed off. All right, we're getting ready to head out. We got some police escort shutting down traffic, so it's quite the ordeal here. But here we go. So like that, we are here at the museum. Just getting ready to pull in here, so we'll kind of get a little video of what's going on in the entry here. Got to see the C8 in person.
Yes.
And we got to see the red one with black accent, just like you ordered last week. So what do you think?
Unbelievable. What a vehicle. Oh my gosh. Why do we have to wait till January, February? I don't know, whenever it is. It's just stupid. We need it like yesterday. Ready to jump in it.
It's pretty hot. We got some great video. Saw the Rapid Blue, saw the
Carbon Matrix Gray.
Carbon Matrix Gray, Blade Silver, the red one in the Chevrolet booth here, which is super cool display, really neat. And then obviously got some video of the cutaway car, so pretty cool. So that's it for today. Awesome day. Great day. Had a blast.
Awesome.
Unfortunately, I've got to go back to Little Rock and take care of some business, so I'm going to leave you guys in the capable hands of LJ. You guys are going to have some epic video from the epic roads. Have a blast, and we'll catch you later.
We're going to kill it, man.
All right, thanks.
Watch out.
Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Give us a big thumbs up. Thanks. We'll see you later.